love the taste of these fries? That's how. There's nothing like the world-famous taste of McDonald's crispy golden French fries, especially when you can enjoy a large order of them in an extra value meal with a medium ice-cold Coke starting at just $2.99.
Have you had your break today?
Welcome back to my channel. This is Eric with Eric C Production, and today I am going to make McDonald's style French fries. So basically what you're going to need to do is you're going to need 2 to 3 potatoes, some vegetable oil, and some sugar. Those are the ingredients that you're going to need. I know it's easier to just buy a bag of French fries at like Walmart or Target or the grocery store and just do it from here. But if you have potatoes laying around, and you know, nothing like having fresh potatoes as French fries. So this is what we're going to do is again, we're just going to sit here and cut these up into pieces, make it into shoestring size shoestring size sizes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these potatoes and cut them into shoestring size pieces. Okay, if you see here, if you notice, this is actually 1 potato. This is how many French fries you can possibly get out of 1 potato. This is what equivalent to like a medium-sized French fry. So just so you know, well, I mean, I'm not going to sit here and lecture, but when you go to the store, usually you can buy like a 5-pound bag of potatoes for like $2 or $3, right? Well, usually about a 5-pound bag of potatoes has maybe about 8 to 10 potatoes, depending on the size. Well, this probably works out to be about maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 cents for one of these. So in a sense, this is pretty much a medium-sized French fry, maybe even a large French fry, depending on where you go. But just so you know, that is probably about 5 cents worth of potatoes right there, maybe even 10 cents. And to think when you go to any burger joint, you're spending about, what, $2, maybe $3 for a medium-sized French fry or more. So just so you know, this is what 1 potato looks like. So you can imagine having 2 more potatoes. That's going to be a lot of fries. Okay, that is what 3 potatoes look like. It's about equivalent to almost the whole bag that you can buy at any grocery store or Walmart or Target or wherever for like, what, a couple bucks, $2 or $3. So there you go. So my next step is going to be putting it in cold water and soaking it for 20 minutes. Okay, I'm going to be soaking this for 20 minutes. And the reason why you soak it in cold water, you can also put ice in it if you want, but you soak it for 20 minutes because you're going to remove the starch from the fries.
20 minutes later.
Okay, the 20 minutes is up. I'm going to take this and drain the fries. Or as you call them, potatoes first. It hasn't been called fries yet. You can see all the starch on the bottom of this. Rinse it out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to towel dry it afterwards. Let them dry it up. Dry up the fries. And then once they're dry, I'm going to boil them. That's the next step. So you add some sugar, put it in a pot or a pan, bring it to a boil, and then you're going to let towel dry those afterwards. Okay, so here I am. I put it in the pot or a pan. I put it in a deep pan, as you can see, and I'm going to boil it. Bring it to a boil. Add some sugar first. Bring it to a boil, and I usually use about a teaspoon of sugar. Put it in there and then just boil it. Okay, put it in. There's the sugar, and then turn it on. I'm going to bring it to a boil. Okay, I'm finished boiling the fries. As you can see, I boiled it, added some sugar, and I am going to drain it and dry it. Okay, so I put it in the fryer. I've been frying these these fries for about, I'd say about 8 minutes. And as you can see, they're golden brown now. So I'm going to take them out now. So that is how you do it. That's how you make the McDonald's style. Okay, and there you go. This is what it looks like, the finished product. Should also taste like McDonald's French fries as well. So if you like these videos, it's cooking videos as well as other kinds of videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and please, 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 please subscribe to my channel. And you'll see more exciting content and future videos of cooking as well as crafts, nostalgia, and unboxing videos as well. So once again, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.